Hi guys, I guess all of you are doing very well, and today is Sunday, April 5th, almost end of the weekend. And today we will be looking at AWS IAM services, which are AWS Identity and Access Management. So basically, what it does is that it lets you securely manage authentication, who you are, and authorization, what you can do in AWS. Basically, that's what it is. Um, so basically, AWS IAM are services who can access what is in AWS. Basically, I would say. So we'll go to the dashboard quickly and we'll try to see. So this is how IAM dashboard looks like. And on the left, if you see near my arrow, there are these section for the user groups, users, roles, and policies. So if I quickly summarize, basically users are individual accounts which we create, or let's say a new guy joins and HR request account for that, and the DevOps team will create an account for him. Same goes with roles. So roles gives temporary access, like what kind of access you want to give to that particular account, and then goes for the policies that it has rules that defines for the permissions, what kind of permission you want to assign. So we'll go to users quickly, and if I show you, so there are no users, so we'll create one quickly just to demonstrate here. So we'll just put a name test 101 for now. Yeah, we will give access to the AWS management console and authenticate password. So yeah, I will give this permission, and we will give this permission as well. There is already a check mark on this one that user must create a new password at a new sign in, which is recommended. So in that case, it will be a very lengthy process. Let's say if 10 there are 10 new joinees, and we have to create 10 new accounts, so creating 10 new parts password will be a hassle. So for that, we'll be going with this one. Next. And so basically on this screen now it's asking that it's like default that you will be adding this user to groups, and it's asking for copy permission and attach policies directly. So basically it's asking like if you have to assign some permission or what the user can do in the AWS environment. So we are not attaching anything as of now, and we won't be like using the policies as well. So we'll just go with this. So in this one, any guy who he or she is joining, they can enter the AWS environment, but they cannot do anything. They cannot delete anything, or they cannot do anything. Basically, they cannot manage it. So let's go next. And if we'll see that there will be just one permission which is attached here, this is like a default. Also we have selected in on the previous step that the user can change the password. So if you see the user we created test 101, the password is auto generated for the first time, and required password reset on the first. Yeah, so we'll just create a user for now. So the user is already created. These are the URL and everything, and I'll just open a new browser just to demonstrate. So I'll put it here, just put it this side. Nope. Okay, we don't need this, so we will just copy this for now. You can also download the CSV file. I just want to do it quickly, so that's why I just don't. But yeah, we should download it as well. We'll do that. So okay, well, I don't want to use this. Okay, just ignore that for now. I guess that's keep coming. So yeah, that's our old email, so I don't care about that. So yeah, we should download it as well just to be on the safer side. So I'll just put it in the download section. Yeah, that will be fine, and I can just, I guess I don't have a CSV file, so it should open. Or okay, so it's Yeah, so okay, it opened in this Excel file, so yeah, we'll just keep it minimized for now, and I'll just hit these extra tabs. Okay guys, so yeah, as you can see the account ID is already filled because we are using the same link. So it had the, if you see the URL, it had the account ID already, so it's already been there. So we'll just put the user. So user is test 101. The password we'll just quickly copy, and so password, sign in. So never, so see, because we put it there and now it's asking for password. So because we selected the option to reset the password at login, so yeah, I'll just put a generic password which I can remember. Password matches, confirm password change, continue to sign in. So we are logged into the test user account which we created, and you see on the first page basically it's like that there are no permissions are attached here. So I can quickly go to S3 bucket. So okay, so it's taking us direct to the AWS dashboard. I just wanna see, create bucket, will that work? We can try I can try showing you bucket as well, but it won't gonna happen. So if you see, it clearly says you don't have permission to list buckets here because we haven't assigned any kind of permission to this account. So on this account, I'll just, like, this is my, on the left side, this is my account, like my own account where I'm doing everything. So I've created a user on this account, so this is the account. So I'll be going to IAM, so users. So you see this is my user. I'll just open it up. So if you see, there are just one policy attached here and there is nothing else. So we will just add permission. So we'll go here. So it's next. Okay, just a second. So now we will just attach the policy here. So we'll go to attach policy directly. So if you see, these are all the policies. So we have to look for S3, which we can search here as well because there are 1473 S3. So you see here, I don't know if fonts are good or not in the video. So it says AWS S3 full access. So yeah, we will grant full S3 access to that account, particularly on this one. If you are seeing here, you don't have any permission as of now because we haven't assigned any kind of permission. We could have assigned the permission when we were creating the account as well, but it's just for a demonstration as of now. So we'll just go this, add permission to the account. So you see it now listed with the change password permission that S3 is now. So it is just a quick video, so I'll just show you here. I'll just do refresh. If you are seeing this error here, so as soon as I do this, see, so there are no bucket created. So now this account has full S3 permission. This account can now create a bucket, can delete a bucket, and if want to make any kind of changes, this account can now do that as well. So next, so yeah, so we were looking at here that we have already assigned the S3 policies to this account. So this is already a S3 policies is a set of rules which is already created in the AWS library for us, and you can just select it. It has all these set of rules here. So next, what I'm gonna show you is that, let's say if 10 new joinees are getting in the company and there are 10 new joinees, so there will be 10 new accounts. So we cannot do individually for all these. Let's see how we can do it for all those 10 accounts together. So firstly, I'm using just this one test user account. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just unassign this one. So I'll just remove S3 policies again, remove policy. So I have removed here. So as soon as I refresh on this one, it's gonna show you again that error. So you see that we have option for create bucket and delete, create, these all are here. So as soon as I refresh, it should go and loading error. So yeah, now we are on the same page that this is account, this is a fresh account as of now, just created that account and we haven't assigned any kind of permission to this account. So we'll go to here, user groups. So here we will create a group. We can name it any group, let's say again so this is I'll just put a new development group, or yeah, so we'll just put a development. So these are the already the users. I won't be attaching any user as of now, but I'm just telling you that if we have created 10 new users, it will list all of them over here that there are 10 new users as of now. So we'll just go down. These are all the policies again. So we'll just go with the S3 full access, and we'll just create this user group here. Okay, valid character required. I'll just do, so for this we'll just put here, I guess this will do the job. And we'll just create user group. So see, now our group has been created here and there are no users as of now. If you can see, says 0 here. So we'll just open our group here. Just to demonstrate again, I'll here just quick refresh and I'll show you that we haven't assigned any policies to this account again. So here it just says user 0 users. So I'll just go to here, add users. I have just created one user, that's why it's showing me one here. But let's say if we have created, it's a 101, let's say we have created 101, 102, 103 to till 110, which will be 110, and I'll just add user here. So now this user has been added here and this group already have permission for S3. Now this should work here automatically. As soon as I refresh, this error will go away from here. So if you can see again. So yeah, similarly like this, we can add more permission to this account. Let's say for an instance, we can for the EC2, so we have created this one here. So I guess instead of here we have to go here, similarly like that, attach policies, and then we can search for EC2. So EC2 full access is here. So just for a demonstration on this one as well, I'll quickly go to EC2. EC2 is here. I'll be creating more videos specifically on S3 and EC2 as well. So as you can see, there are a bunch of errors here saying that different things. That also, if I go to this one, launch instance, this will allow me here, but I don't think it will let me. You see the error again, same like the bucket we were creating in S3 bucket. So similar like that. But as soon as I allow this and attach these policies to that, now I have attached that policy to that group, particularly group in which group this account is right now. As soon as I hit this refresh button, you can see. So yeah, so that's how IAM works. So basically IAM is a set of authentication and authorization. In short, if I want to tell you, IAM let you securely manage authentication. Authentication means who you are, and authorization what you can do in AWS environment. Again, authentication is who are you, or like the user, giving the name for the user, and that will be just an account in the AWS. And then after that, authorization, what kind of authorization we are giving to that account. I guess you all have heard in news most of the time that a guy is fired and he had sort of permission to his account, and he deleted all his servers or like libraries and everything. So that's how it all works. So I guess that pretty much for this video. I'll be creating another video, I guess soon I'll try to be consistent on this one, and will be dropping a video really soon. So for now I just want to delete everything, just so I can just show you for a demonstration again quickly. I have removed these policies. If I refresh this, so okay, so delete. So I just don't want to delete first, I just want to go here and I want to refresh this, and I want to go to permissions and see no permission, and if I want to refresh this again, see the error is coming again. So yeah, I just want to delete everything. I will just delete this group, and I have to delete this user as well. I'll delete both. So confirm, delete user has been deleted. So I guess as soon as I hit refresh and then user group, and then I'll just delete this as well, and confirm the name. I'm just being a little lazy. So this is also deleted. If I go to users again, nothing, user group, nothing, and I guess okay, for some reason this is still there, but I guess this will log out as soon as it refresh. So account name, you see it's denied. Yeah, so that's pretty much. Thank you guys, thank you whoever is watching this one. So bye.